welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and it is day 8 of 30 days of sketches by Chrissy's Beautiful Life. And today's sketch is brought to you by Brianna Spores, and it is photo natted on a few things over on the right and then all these arrows on the left. I'm not putting arrows on mine, I'm doing clusters on embellishments. I have the Coastal Bliss collection by Uniquely Creative, and this is also my collection obsession for what month are we? March. I started using this collection back in January for my collection obsession, which is every month we choose, or you can choose a collection and make as many layouts as you can with it. I usually try to do one layout per week, but I fell sadly short in January and I did one layout, and then I didn't do any in February at all. So I'm coming back to it in March and I'm finishing off this collection. I won't use the whole collection, but I'm doing layouts 2, 3 and 4. So this is layout 3 using the Coastal Bliss collection from Uniquely Creative. I also have some rub-ons from, I believe that is also Uniquely Creative. That's from the collection. And then I've got 49 and Market rub-ons here, and I'm so sorry, I must be recording, hence I'm yawning. Oh, I'm so sorry. Anyway, so I'm just going to speed you up, get on with it, and I'll be back at the end. there is my completed page. I think it represents the sketch really, really well. I've got my photo over here, my title down here, and all my arrows, or my clusters and embellishments, etc., all over here. And it mirrors that, or copies that sketch perfectly. And I am really pleased with how this page came out. All these elements are fussy cut, and the words are from an embellishment pack. It's all uniquely creative except for the rub-ons on the background and the little fake sea glass embellishments that I scattered around. Everything else is from the collection. I'll have a playlist below for everyone else who's playing along with the 30 days of sketches, so please make sure you go down and check it out and see what everyone else is creating, because you can create some amazing things from these sketches. This is such a versatile sketch. You can do so much with this. I really, really love it. And I'm really pleased with how this page came out. And once I started working out what I wanted to use and cut out all the embellishments, it just all came together so quickly, and I love it. So if you like it too, please give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And if you have any comments or any questions, please pop them below. And until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.